In the auspicious month of Magh, the weather turns very cold in the northern parts of India. During this time, a unique festival is celebrated, attracting millions to the riverside at Prayagraj. This year, due to special planetary positions, Maha Kumbh is being observed after 144 years. Many ascetics, saints, and seekers are gathering to participate and progress their own unique spiritual journey. Some seek purification, others seek blessings, and many seek a deeper connection with the divine. Among them are the devotees of the Hare Krishna movement, offering a pathway to experience Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna. Our morning begins before sunrise in the Brahma Muhurta. Now, I'll go take bath and get ready for the first worship of the day, Mangala-arati. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that the acts of charity, sacrifice, and penance should never be given up. It purifies even the great souls. So while we are here at Kumbh, we are going to sacrifice some sleep. We'll get up early in the morning, take bath, and get ready for Mangala-arati. Come, now let's begin our day.
त्राणाय कारुण्य घन घनत्वम्.
This early morning activity is for greeting the deities and beginning the day with offering prayers to the Guru. It also establishes the right consciousness and spiritual mood for the day ahead. Hence, Srila Prabhupada has emphasized that all his disciples must rise early in the morning and offer Mangala-arati during the Brahma Muhurta.
Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namo.
Mangala-arati is over and now it's time for chanting. We'll be chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra on the Mala, which has 108 beads. This process known as Japa is the easiest form of meditation in this Kali Yuga. It helps us to focus our attention on the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. The mantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare is a spiritual call for the Lord and His energy to give protection to the devotee. By chanting and hearing it repeatedly, we welcome the Lord into our hearts, purifying it and awakening our love of God.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo Mole.
An important part of our practice is Sankirtana, which involves chanting the holy names of Lord Krishna while dancing and singing. It is a way to express love and surrender to God.
Shri Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma.
Just now we have offered Guru Puja to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada is our Acharya who constantly guides us in our spiritual life. Now we will be hearing Srimad Bhagavatam class. Attending the Bhagavatam class is an essential part of the morning sadhana. Hearing from the scriptures in the association of devotees nourishes our spiritual understanding and strengthens our faith. It is also a very good opportunity to learn from the senior Vaishnavas of the community. Our morning sadhana is almost over, and now it's time to honor Mahaprasadam of the Lord and head out for service.
This is no ordinary food. This food is tasted by Lord Krishna. It is His mercy. By taking Mahaprasadam, one can control all his senses, especially the tongue, which is very difficult to control. Mahaprasadam ki Jai.
More than 40 crore people are expected to participate in the Maha Kumbh Mela of 2025. What can be a better opportunity than this to distribute the message of Lord Krishna to everyone? That message is present in these books of Srila Prabhupada. Let's go out and distribute these books. By engaging in practical devotional service, we please the Lord and put our spiritual knowledge into action. It is a way to depend on Krishna and apply what we have learned from the Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. It's a key part of a Krishna conscious life. Today was an amazing day at our camp. In the morning we had spiritually enriching sadhana, followed by a fulfilling day of book distribution, devotional service. This was a complete success. Stay connected with us to know more about our activities in Kumbh and to learn more about Krishna consciousness.